Welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister, and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare Piña Colada, a recipe from my cookbook. Piña Colada is a tropical beverage that is very creamy with pineapple and coconut flavors. The Piña Colada originated in Puerto Rico, making it our official drink. The term Piña Colada refers to pineapples being strained, which consists of pressing fresh pineapples to obtain juice. Food history. The pineapples were traditionally grown by the Taino Indians long before the arrival of the Europeans. For this cooking demonstration, we will be cutting 2 ripe pineapples into chunks to extract the juice for the Piña Colada. You can use canned juice or canned pineapple chunks if you prefer to do so. Let's start by cutting the pineapples into chunks. This is a fresh pineapple. The skin has a diamond pattern and is called the rind. When the rind is mostly yellow, the pineapple is considered ripe. Using a sharp knife, I am going to cut off the end with the spiky leaves called the crown. Then the bottom end. Let's cut the pineapple in half lengthwise. Once you cut the pineapple in half, you will find a core which is not edible running down the center of the pineapple. To remove the core, place a serrated knife along the edge of the core and cut down at an angle following the core. Repeat the same cut on the other side. We can now remove the center core. Cut the half of the pineapple in half. Repeat this process with the other half of pineapple. We just finished coring and cutting a pineapple into quarters. I am going to take one section and make a center cut lengthwise close to the skin. Rotate the pineapple and cut across into 1/2 to 1 inch slices, barely touching the skin. Carefully run your knife between the flesh and skin to remove the pineapple chunks. Continue this process for the remaining sections. Here you have the pineapple chunks and the rind. Don't forget to cut the other pineapple into chunks as well. We just finished cutting 2 ripe pineapples into chunks. We are ready to prepare the pineapple juice using an electric blender. I added the remaining chunks of pineapple into the electric blender after reserving 1.5 cups of pineapple chunks for the Piña Colada. Let's pour 1/3 cup of water to help liquefy the pineapple chunks. Cover blender with lid and beat at high speed until the pineapple chunks become liquid. The next step is to strain the liquefied pineapple chunks. I place a strainer over this bowl and lined it with cheesecloth. Let's pour the pineapple liquid through the cheesecloth. We're going to lift the cheesecloth and squeeze out the liquid with your hands. Continue this process until you extract all the juice. Let's remove the strainer and look how much pineapple juice was extracted from the liquefied pineapple chunks. Another important ingredient that you will need is cream of coconut. This is the Goja brand, but you purchase the brand of your preference. Since the cream of coconut has the tendency of separating the coconut cream on top and the coconut water at the bottom, stir to combine both contents before measuring 1 cup of cream of coconut. We are ready to blend all of these ingredients to prepare the Piña Colada. Let's start by adding 3 cups of homemade pineapple juice. One cup cream of coconut. 3/4 cup of white rum or to taste. 1.5 cups of fresh pineapple chunks. And 1 cup of crushed ice or ice cubes. Cover blender with lid at high speed until all the ingredients are well blended and forms a creamy texture. The Piña Colada has a smooth consistency. We can now pour the Piña Colada into a pitcher. I love to decorate the rim of a drinking glass with a chunk of pineapple before pouring the Piña Colada. You can also serve it with whipped cream and a cherry. All my friends know that I seldom drink. In fact, I have at most 5 alcoholic beverages a year. However, when it comes to the Piña Colada, there is no limit. You can also prepare this drink without alcohol. Let's taste the Piña Colada. It is very creamy with lots of pineapple flavors and with a subtle taste of coconut. I better call my friends to come over for us to enjoy this delicious Piña Colada. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare Piña Colada. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.